I mixed eggs with pasta, and it was the best recipe I've ever eaten. I'll put 250 grams of pasta and also some water in a pan. Then add a teaspoon of salt and a little oil. We'll let the pasta cook until we get to this point. I'll transfer him into a bowl and add 3 eggs. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Luana Torres. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I'm gonna cut a whole onion. First in long slices and then in small cubes. I have no doubt that you will be surprised with the final result of this recipe is a delight. Next, we will cut 100 grams of ham. I'll put the chopped onion in the bowl, and also the ham. Let's add 100 grams of mozzarella, and a little parsley, the amount is to taste. Then a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and also a teaspoon of chili flakes. I'm gonna mix it up real good. Now in a pan, we will put some olive oil and spread it to keep it from sticking. Let's put the mixture we prepared inside the pan. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you to do so. I'll cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes. After this time, with the help of a dish, I will turn to cook equally on both sides. If necessary, you can add a little more olive oil. I never cooked pasta the same way in my home after I learned how to do it. Let's cover the pan and cook for another 5 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. It is a great option to do on days that you do not have much time to cook, since it uses only a few ingredients present in everyday life of anyone. I do it myself often, and when I do it, I never leave anything because it is really delicious. It is very easy to do, has no reason not to try. I doubt you've ever made a recipe like this before. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.